Can you tell us a bit your design idea of Shushu?
Yes, I can. Shushu is made from original Chinese Kung Fu shoes. The idea of this, I found out that the Chinese Kung Fu shoes is made in a special way. It's injection shoes, which means that the outsole is molded on the shoe. I found out this is a very good idea to do like this because the shoe will last very long. You don't need glue for the outsole and it will not fall off. These are the first shoes I made, and the Danish design is the bright colors and dots, and we also made stripes, blue, green, yellow, everything. I found out that this way of making shoes, to mix the Chinese way of production and the Danish design, this is the perfect solution. After this ballerina shoe, I developed the shoes and I made this shape, changed the shape so that the heel part gets high and it fits the ankle, and it will be more tight and better fitting. After this one, I wanted to make a streetwear shoe, so I made like this. This is the tongue we put in and the ears so that you can tie the shoes. And also I changed the outsole because I wanted this part to be more white. And also we have this, our own outsole. Yeah. Now it's more a streetwear shoe, but I still want the ballerina shoe. So I took off the tongue. So now we have the tongue without the tongue and with. You can still see the ballerina shoe from here. Yeah.